How are you guys?
So she went to her mother's house. How are you feeling without her?
I'm missing him. I think in today's vlog, let's talk more laugh.
So it's a trial reels or trial reels?
Trial.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another new vlog. Today's vlog is all about speaking in English for whole vlog till the end. Let's go. I'm gonna enjoy this vlog very much, guys. My English is not good, so please try to understand. All the boys are ready here. We are going in function. Now I will let you guys meet Mr. Shahid.
Assalamualaikum. How are you, bro? You know, I was waiting for this vlog since so long, boy. Since so long.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to see how Hamud Bhaiya will speak in English. I just want to see that.
How Hamoud, Aziz, and
Mac.
I want to see them, guys. Firstly, please apologize our English if you guys found any mistake in that. Okay, we are not Oxford Dictionary professors. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's meet Mr. Tarbuz. Tarbuz is here.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, sir?
Fine. See, if anyone speak in Hindi, you will get a slap, okay?
For sure.
For sure?
Yeah. No.
Please.
You should not.
You should know
not
the,
in
you know,
Hindi.
yes, exactly. If
Please,
anyone
Hamud, come.
Well,
no. If anyone will speak in Hindi,
Yeah.
we'll get a slap or punch, okay?
Okay.
So now I will call Mr. Hamoud.
Please come.
Please join us in our vlog in speaking
Yeah, wow,
only
nice
English
guessing,
channel.
sir.
Oh, you gotta get it.
Assalam.
Oh my God,
How
are you guys?
that
Good, bro.
Good, bro.
Bro. Let him speak. Yes.
How are you guys?
Come over. Actually, come over.
Yeah, bro.
How are you guys?
How are you guys? I want to reply.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. We are good. How are you? How was your day, bro?
Alhamdulillah.
How was
Nice,
your
good.
Nice. Can you speak more than that, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can speak.
So guys, it's gonna be a fun vlog. Anyone?
Sir,
from them?
you should also invite that guy.
Oh yeah. I'm
I
about
want
to
us-
call him. Now I will call Mr.
Doctor.
Arshad. Aye.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
So now I will call Mr. Arshad. How are you, bro? How are you, Mr. Nurser?
Bro, you don't wanna meet me? Salam alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan Kareem, bro. Gang.
Ramzan
So
Kareem,
guys-
no, normal days, bro. Ramzan Kareem, bro.
So guys, we are going in
He
function.
said kate. He said.
Please don't no
What
Hindi.
is kate,
No
bro?
Hindi,
Bro,
please.
bro.
No Hindi.
Ciao.
So guys, let's go. We are going in function. First, we have to pick Mac, and we will
We wanna see.
wait, bro. Let me
Okay, bro.
speak. So we will be 6 guys going in a function in a one car. Okay?
Yeah.
And who's the driver? That's his children.
No, he's not the driver.
What?
So, because we can't danger 6 lives at one time, you know, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Let's go. We will enjoy the function. Till the time I will go there.
Ramya,
Please do.
this is-
No.
Are we gonna eat something there or not?
Yeah,
For
for
sure.
sure. We are going in functions, you know, definitely we will eat. So, till the time I will go there, please do like, comment, share, channel till the time I reach there, please like and comment
and hype the video.
and hype this vlog. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. So guys, we are going to pick Mac, as I already said you guys. Now we are 5 members already. We are gonna be 6 in
One car.
10 to 15 minutes maybe. So how you guys are feeling, guys, today? Hello.
Nice. Little bit nervous.
Why little bit nervous, bro? Why?
Because We are talking
Because-
Wait.
because we are talking in English now.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. What the hell happened to him? I don't know.
You want to eat something, bro?
So let's go. Now we will go. So Aziz, will you enjoy the function or not, bro?
No, bro. I will go home.
Okay, can you please just say how was your day today?
It's good, bro. I meet you.
The whole thing from his side is gonna be yes bro, no bro, and yeah bro. That's it. You won't find anything. else.
Okay. I will ask you one thing. Okay, what's the first thing you have done in today's morning?
I go to market and I go to market then and I come to home and sleep for
After that,
4 to 5 hours.
okay.
Then
after
wake up and I come to Alan's Bhaiya home.
Wow, bro. I like your confidence, man.
The English is so great.
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
It's amazing.
You know,
man.
confidence should be like
I
this.
just can't
You speak.
express. I just can't express how I feel after listening to your English, bro. It's just so soothing. I feel so great.
Okay.
No, can you go straight?
Bro,
You just
why
you just
are...
have to get
Oh,
straight.
sorry. Our driver is like... he don't know the routes. See where he takes us. In front of shutters, you know.
In front of shutters.
What is
Bro, you want us to die, bro? So, let's go, guys.
You know what, Alan?
Yeah.
Why I'm very off today?
Why?
Somebody didn't let me drive car.
Oh, so you wanted to drive the car today?
No, I don't want to.
I know that, bro. So let's go and pick Mac, and I will already. You guys told him about the today's vlog?
No.
We didn't.
No?
No, he's already from British now. He knows actually.
Yeah.
Actually,
I'm very excited.
actually,
I'm very excited to listen his English from his mouth. Wow, it's gonna be amazing, bro. It's gonna be amazing. Let's go, and
Actually,
yeah, you guys will definitely enjoy this vlog.
Lyrics.
I am sure about that. Huh?
Lyrics.
Bro, no Hindi.
No, bro,
I
it's
told
from-
you guys.
It's from Trial, bro. Trial
Trial.
reels are
Yeah,
great,
yeah,
bro.
yeah.
You are
Trial.
trolling the English, bro.
You know, Mac. You guys
English
know
is very
about
good,
trial reels. He never said trial. He always said trial. Wow. So guys, let's go and pick him. So guys, finally Mac is here. Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum, bro. How are you?
Salam. How are you, brother?
Bro, please hug.
Okay, bro. Oh my God, bro. So, bro,
As well.
how was your day today?
Bro,
Wait, guys.
I'm low, bro, today.
Why, bro? Why?
Bro, today only hospital day.
Okay, got it. So you went to hospital today?
Yeah. Shayad, what happened to
Oh, no. See, if anyone speaks in Hindi, we all are gonna beat him, okay?
Beat him. Slap.
Non-stop,
All
slaps,
punch. Slap or
punches, any of them.
You are changing the
Video,
game.
man.
Okay, sorry.
don't touch
Any
me.
of them. It
Please
might
don't
be
touch
me,
me in
it might
English.
be any of them,
Please
okay?
talk to English language, please.
Yes. So, I'm gonna ask you something, okay? You have to answer
yeah,
me.
sure. Continue, bro.
So, what you had in lunch, bro?
I had lunch to chapati. Khima salan.
Okay.
And
Khima salan?
and Shayad,
Yeah, bro.
tell me, bro.
I love you, bro. I love
I'm
you.
all of you.
Bro, there is no like fun, bro. Just speak in a proper way, okay, guys?
Yeah, bro, continue, bro.
Yeah. So how will you gonna enjoy this function?
You go to Hamud boy.
No. Okay. Now Hamud's turn, okay? I'm gonna ask him. So how are you feeling today? As your wife is not in home, he went to her. She. I'm sorry. So she went to her mother's house. How are you feeling without her?
I'm missing him.
Him no, bro.
I'm missing her.
Okay.
I'm
How much
missing
did you miss her?
Okay.
So much.
Okay. So.
I think in today's vlog,
Okay.
let's talk more laugh.
He is speaking English like, you know, Saudi Arab guys,
Bro,
Dubai guys.
Bro, I have one more function.
Yeah.
There, King Palace.
King,
King Palace.
King Palace.
Yeah, we are going to there.
So we all have to
Yeah,
go there.
all invited.
Bro, is he
All are invited,
working or
bro.
not?
So brother, so we have one function in King Palace. Please stop there and we will go first attend that. Then we'll go to another function, okay?
Okay, done.
So let's go, guys. We have one more function. As Mac just now said. Max. Oh, bro, I'm human being, man. I'm human being. I can make mistakes.
Yeah, human being.
Why are you guys screaming like this?
Oh my God!
So yeah, we will attend first one function, then another function. Okay? We'll meet you after attending one function.
Telling something, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Actually,
But
Open the AC.
why you are feeling very hot today?
Yeah, very hot.
Okay. I can understand.
I'm feeling
Yeah.
like I'm in Little Rajasthan.
Okay. So guys, let's go and first attend one function, then another function. Okay?
No, bro, it's time to very.
I think we are in IT company.
Where?
I'm in
in
US,
IT.
US,
Okay.
bro. No, IT.
So let me
United
ask.
State of Hyderabad.
Let me ask something to Aziz. Okay?
Yeah. I'm not answering
yeah.
anything, bro.
Bro.
You have to answer.
Can you just say something about your today's video?
today's video.
You made a reel of Mahmood and you.
It's good, bro. Mahmood bhai done Bawas.
Bawa? No Bawas, daddies.
Dad's acting. I have done son acting.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Bro, what was the conclusion of the video, bro?
Yeah. Can you say that?
It's the video is about.
You tell
The
that.
video is
the
about
video.
marriage. Basically, it's marriage.
Basically.
He said Areto. He said
Everyone has said.
Okay. So continue. Mr. Aziz, the rules.
My father is calling, bro. Please
Oh.
wait.
Let me speak to him.
Okay.
No.
Now I'm gonna ask everyone that what they are gonna eat, what is their favorite food in the function. Okay, let me start with Mr. Hamood. So brother, what is your favorite
My
food?
favorite food is mutton biryani
Okay.
with mirchonga salan.
Okay.
Then
Why mirchonga salan always?
mirchonga
Bro,
salan
glasses.
is very good.
Yeah, actually. Okay.
Mirchonga salan is very important for me,
Okay.
for biryani.
Okay.
That's why.
So you gonna eat just two foods only? Two
foods,
items only?
If they have prawns,
If they have prawns, I will eat. Okay.
if they have fish, prawns, I will eat.
Okay.
Then sweet,
That's it?
that's it.
Sweet?
Sweet.
Anything pan, chai, वगैरह.
Then-
Sorry. Anything
Bro,
pan, chai. Oh, sorry.
If they-
My mistake.
If they have, then I will eat.
Okay, what they have?
Pan, chai, fruits.
Okay. Now,
Etc.
now it's your turn, bro.
Always, bro. Chicken.
Mamad boy.
Bro,
I hate mutton.
Okay, let it go. So what next? What next?
Chicken, bro.
Only chicken?
Yeah.
What the hell, bro? So
tell
what
categories
about you,
in
Shahid?
chickens? Bhai,
Yeah.
categories.
I'm gonna eat the whole table. I'm not gonna let.
Okay.
Yeah. I won't let you guys down. I'm gonna eat the whole table.
Okay. We already know about that. So now let me ask Mac.
Mac.
Okay, Mac, what
Mac's
you gonna
kitchen.
eat, bro?
No, bro. Today. Today my start my workout. You know?
Okay.
I don't eat anything.
Okay.
Only eat I
Boiled.
soup, mutton soup. You know.
They don't have mutton soup.
And yeah, don't have mutton soup.
No.
Please, you turn the cup. Please, drop me.
So bro, what do you want to eat? Like, what is your favorite food in functions?
Maybe only Hyderabad famous only biryani. You know?
Okay.
I like biryani, bro.
Okay.
Yeah,
So only biryani.
Only biryani.
Okay. Bro, what about you, bro?
I would like to eat marak and biryani.
Yeah.
Okay, so you would like to give your introduction? So let's go, guys. I asked everyone what is their favorite dish.
What about you, bro?
Oh, what about me, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start with starters. You know, as
Ah,
usual.
you gonna start
Halim
with
starters like fish,
Bro,
prawns.
they know highway starter. What do you do?
What? Ask again, please.
No.
Please.
You know what he said? He said they know have a starter. What you'll do?
China, bro.
Okay, if in case they don't have starters, I will go with Halim.
Yeah.
Halim, biryani. Huh?
What if they don't have the halim?
Halim,
as well?
bro.
Okay, I will just drink the water and
Only you
left
eat,
out.
only you eat green salad.
So guys, I think you all got the answers from everyone. Okay, let's go there and enjoy.
Please, you
we
can
will enjoy the function.
Please, you
okay?
can.
Yeah. What? But guys, slaps.
No, bhai. I'm not on camera. That's why.
You not that camera. Wow.
Oh wow. So guys, that's it for Cars vlog. Now we will go in function and we will shoot the next part of the vlog there. Okay. So guys, we are reached here. So bro, you are hungry right now?
No, I'm not hungry.
Oh my God, bro, jacket.
Yeah.
Whose jacket is that?
It's not mine, but it's mine.
No, bro, it's yours. I know that. So let's go. Jacket.
How is it looking, by the way? How is it looking?
Oh, it's crazy, man. It's crazy.
Like a jacket, a leather jacket.
No, it's not a leather jacket, bro.
No, looking like a.
Yeah. Let's go.
You are giving an invitation. Please call him.
So guys, we are here in the function. So boys are waiting for our dinner. Are you guys really hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure about it?
Yeah.
Bro.
I'm not.
So guys, we are waiting since 10 minutes.
You know what? These two guys had shawarma in front of my eyes, all alone. These two.
That's not fair, no, bro.
You
So
guys
guys,
didn't ask me.
they had shawarma. Bro, you had shawarma. Bro, focus on you. You had just look at this. Look there. You had shawarma?
Yes.
Which shawarma?
Alhan bhaiya, listen.
Milan
Alhan
shawarma.
bhaiya.
Milan chicken.
Milan chicken shawarma. How was the flavor?
It's good.
Alhan bhaiya, the whole shawarma, the whole he ate alone.
Somali, which one?
The Wali one.
Bro, the Romali one.
Mali one.
So you are not
Mali
feeling
one, chicken one.
So you are not.
He had shawarma. That's why his charging is full. We are low. That's
Bro,
why
I
we
haven't
are
had
hungry.
anything since morning, but I'm
Okay.
still. My charging is
All
on the
3-4 members have charging low.
So guys,
They had shawarma. That's why he has full of battery.
yeah. So guys, we are at the table and Hamoud needs something. What do you need, bro?
I need salad.
Why?
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 I want to eat. Why?
In your home, you will eat salad.
Yeah. If the salad is available, I will eat.
Always joking. No sense, nothing. What, bro? We have been on this table for like not less than 1 minute, bro. He started making salad diyo, ye diyo. What, bro?
He always asks so many things on the tables.
He tell, ये दियो वो दियो. रखो अभी उन्हों बोले.
Bro, he's speaking in Hindi.
No. He's telling ये दियो वो दियो.
He said salad diyo. He said. I'm saying.
Okay. So let's go, guys. We are on the table and
What? Nonsense. Salad. What salad?
so let's go. Let's.
Transpose eating, bro.
Then what is this?
Healthy.
Grab, bro. What is bro?
Ba.
Baba Bokul. Bhai, bro, you need thumbs up, Sprite.
Water, bro. Water.
So guys, you already know about Hamoud's obsession with the Mirchonga Salan. We again put it in the plate?
Yeah.
Like he
I'm
does.
asking to Aziz give me Mirchanga Salan. He's telling where like Mirchanga Salan in ladies.
I'm gonna answer on that, okay?
Okay.
We all guys should put Mirchanga Salin in a packet and should tie to his kamar.
Please come out, then I will come to your home and sleep.
Why will you come to my home and sleep, bro? You are already in my home. I'm your brother.
Yeah.
What the hell is wrong with
What the
you?
hell is
Mustafa?
wrong with you, bro?
Hamudi is always very bad. You are such a baddie, bro. Arab baddie, you are for real. No cap.
So guys, we are enjoying the biryani here, and I don't drink this thumbs up. So
Look at that guy. He was on diet, right?
He's eating Diwani thing. He's eating
Bro, don't use Hindi words. Okay. What he is
Just
doing?
tell him.
What he is doing?
Hoga.
Oh, bro. No Hindi words. I told you already.
Ask him. Look at his plate.
Bro,
Plate.
Waiting for biryani, bro.
waiting for biryani.
No.
Not biryani, plain biryani.
Plain biryani.
Okay.
Rice, biryani rice, bro. Biryani rice, not biryani.
Yeah, rice.
See, bro.
Okay.
He's eat like Bamman.
No, bro. 100 rupees people.
Only rice, no mutton. Like Bagara Khana. Please give dalcha to Aziz.
So guys, alhamdulillah, we are done with the dinner, and boys have a good dinner today. Guys,
Alhamdulillah.
how was the dinner?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Exactly. And we got invited by him. Thank you so much, brother. Yes, thank you.
Shahid,
Yes.
where is my car?
Bring him his car, bro. Hello.
Yes.
I think you forgot that you haven't bring your car here.
Okay. So let's go, bro. So how was bro? Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. So how was the food, bro? You enjoyed it or not?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So are you gonna give this update to your mahram about the?
Oh, when she asked what did you eat in dinner, then I said,
Okay, you gonna say
Okay.
this everything? Like we came to the
like
we came to the function.
No. That's too much, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Some coffee, some tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do that only.
You don't know.
Bye, this is getting crazy and let's go. So guys, after the dinner we decided to have some coffee, and everyone have their own coffees. Yeah, you have plain coffee?
Coffee.
So bro, you are enjoying the coffee?
Yeah. Because I don't like tea, I like coffee.
Okay, this coffee is good or your madam coffee?
No, madam, this is madam coffee.
Madam coffee.
Yeah.
Can you speak louder, bro?
Madam's coffee.
Okay.
This is good, but I don't like tea, no. That's why I'm.
Bro, this is not a coffee, bro. This is
Then
not a coffee. This is hot chocolate coffee.
hot chocolate. Okay, hot chocolate. And the guy standing over here is taking aesthetic pictures, like with the back camera or front camera? Back camera.
Some what about all ya? Red Bull.
Bro, I can understand, bro. No, nothing. Thank
You
you
know
so much.
nothing?
Thank you for asking me. Bro, where is your coffee, bro? Where is your coffee?
You haven't buyed me a coffee, bro.
Oh,
That's lie.
he's fast in eating and drinking. I gave the coffee to you.
Yeah, exactly.
Then you are lying, bro.
Yeah, bro, you have given it, bro. But
Bro, why you have not used this much English in interviews, bro?
Because I don't like chops.
Because I don't like no job.
Jobs,
if he
yeah.
use this kind of English now, anyways, he's gonna get cut off from the company. Obviously.
Because I want to build a company. That's
Yeah.
Well, you built a whole company, whole society. Look at
Yeah.
Top floor is mine.
Top floor is mine.
named Hamudistan.
Yeah, Hamudistan. Right.
Wow. What an Englishman. So guys, our English only speaking English challenge is going crazy,
Oh,
and
English, take English, some English.
Yeah. And one more guy sitting in the car. Hey, just
legs are
come
paining,
out.
bro.
Just
Please, please,
come
bro.
out. Just come out. Everyone is enjoying outside.
No, he
You're-
is cussing.
What were you doing, bro? What were you
My
doing?
legs are
inside?
paining, bro.
Your legs are paining.
Yeah.
So from the where? From the knees to the
Yeah,
toes.
knees.
I said from the knees to the toes.
Wow.
Bro, it was right.
What? He's telling thoda.
Can you speak in Hindi, please?
No. Come here.
Just 1 minute.
Come here. No. No maafi for today.
Bro,
Come here.
yeah. Just for 2 minutes. Speak
Come
in
here.
Hindi. Bro, please.
Come here. So, when are you going to marry? I just want to ask you.
My plan is different, bro. After 2.
Plan is different means you marrying for two girls. For
Then, what is your plan?
After 2 years, I will marry. But
Why not now? Why not now? Bro, speak.
You have to speak, bro.
No, you have
Bro,
to
you
speak.
have to speak, bro.
I don't want to
Bro,
speak
I
about...
have I speak, you speak.
Bro.
You don't
Bro.
want to speak, bro. You can't
Just
speak,
say
bro.
trial
Yeah,
reels.
yeah,
Bro. Just say trial reels.
Trial reels.
No.
Trial. I don't understand. Say again.
If you watch the first clip of the vlog, you will get to know what we are speaking today.
Bhai, you know I'm gonna post tomorrow trial reels for sure.
So it's a trial reels or trial reels?
Pronounce
Trial.
it. Trial. Trial no. Only trial.
Trial.
Only trial.
Bro, the one word is missing. The one more word.
No Hindi word. No Hindi word. So you have something to ask?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I have something to ask.
Wait.
Please tell. Alhamdulillah, we have thousands of subscribers.
Okay.
So in subscribe we
Okay. Ask. Try to ask.
subscribers. In thousands of subscribers, there are so many senior members. So what the he क्या बोल- नहीं. So I'm trying. So
I'm trying.
senior members.
Senior members.
In thousands of members, there are so many senior members.
Okay.
They didn't know English.
Okay. So they don't know English.
They don't
okay.
know English. But this vlog.
Yeah. They will.
Bro, their option.
Listen to me.
Bro, they have an option.
Okay.
convert
No.
English in Hindi.
Please guys, don't convert to other language. Please watch this vlog in English.
English.
Only English to
Because
English.
today's vlog is
Because
in
they are
English
trying
only.
to
You say English
speak
and
in British
they say
English.
English and who say English?
Yeah, you
Only
know-
English.
See, British English, Somalia English.
Somalia, no, Somalia. Somalia,
Uganda.
No, पूरा Arabistan English.
Okay. Arabistan English and Japan English.
Japan.
Yeah.
Japan English.
Choppy.
He is speaking.
Sudan.
Whoa.
Uganda.
No.
Whoa.
Royal.
Trial English.
Trial English.
And Aziz, Gumsum English.
No. Silent
They
English.
don't have a mouth.
They don't have a mouth. So bro,
Bros, pronounce it actually, please.
prawns.
Pronounce.
Pronoun.
Wow guys, what an English. No, I'm appreciating you, bro. I'm appreciating you. So let's go. Huh?
He was about to say something to Mac.
Okay,
Bro, what do you say? Actually.
Actual word.
Actual word.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think-
actual word.
So guys, this vlog is crazy and this is my favorite vlog so far. The hell, bro? Just take the stones.
That's a loafer guy.
That's loafer guy. He said. So guys, we came back home and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, which is completely
Only English challenge.
English challenge vlog. And please don't judge us by our English because no one can speak fluent English when you are away from schooling, when you are away from college life.
And yeah, so
If you guys, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, do like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Don't forget to hype the
Yes,
vlog, okay?
definitely, definitely. The only guy who speak well is me. I'm joking. I'm joking. Is Shahid, is
No.
Aziz, it's Mac. Every one of them speak well. So yes, we'll meet you in tomorrow's vlog. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
Take
Love you
care.
all.